Hello, welcome to this video. In the previous video, we talked about the apps needed to import from China. In this video, we are going to be looking at 1688, one of the apps you need to import from China. To get this app installed on your phone, all you need to do is to go to Google and type 1688.com. You are allowed to load. Now, as soon as it loads, you just come to this corner here and you click on translate. So Google is going to translate the page to English. It's saying new users who download the app can receive a red envelope of up to 5 yuan. What you are going to do, you see this place that says download app, you just click on it and it's going to download the app to your phone. I already have the app on my phone installed, so I'll just click on it and I'll be directed to my app. There are two ways to search for product on 1688. The first product is to come to the app, click on this search box and type whatever you want to type. Then the second way is to search for whatever you want to buy using the camera feature on the app. Let's say you are scrolling through TikTok, Facebook, or WhatsApp, and then you see a product that you like and you want to buy that product. All you have to do is to take a screenshot of that product. You come to your 1688 app, you click on that camera icon. You click on the camera icon, that's this icon here. You click on the camera icon and it's going to open your gallery roll, and once it opens your gallery roll you see the screenshot of that product you've already taken. You click on it and the 1688 app is going to scan that picture and it's going to display a lot of products that are similar or related to that picture you've just uploaded on the platform. Now let's do our first search using the search box. To search for the product, we'll just type whatever we want to type inside that box, and after typing whatever we want to type inside that box, we'll click on this button here and it is going to search for what we want to type. So let's do it. Let's say I want to search for washing machine. I'll just come to the search box or search bar and type washing machine. So like I said, you click on that button and it will start to search. Now it will bring out a lot of washing machine and I'm going to choose the one I want to buy from. Now there are a lot of things that goes into choosing the washing machine you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy this particular washing machine. This one is the same thing as this one, but this guy is selling it for 570. This guy is selling it for 462. Now some people will just go and click the one of 462 and buy, but there are a lot of things, I call it due diligence, a lot of things that goes into the process of selecting which store you are going to buy from. Now in subsequent videos we are going to talk about the things to look into, the investigation you need to do, the due diligence you need to do before proceeding to buy anything from any store on 1688. Once I see the washing machine I want to buy, let's say I see this one and I want to look at this, I'll just click on it, then it will take me here. I'll click on this button, I'll see more about the machine, or I'll just come here and read about the description of the machine and everything that I want to know, do my due diligence, do whatever I want to do here to determine if I'll be buying this machine or if I will be buying from this store or looking for another store that I'll be buying this washing machine from. Then after doing my due diligence, I can now proceed to buy or not buy. So in subsequent videos, we'll talk about that. What is this due diligence that you need to do before proceeding to buy anything? I can go back and type something else. I don't want some washing machine again. Let's say I want to search for female wristwatch. I'll click on the button and it is going to display different female wristwatches. I'm seeing the one of 31.99 yuan. I'm seeing the one of 24.99 yuan. I can just click on any one I like and read through, do my due diligence to see if it is worth buying from this store or if I will bounce and go to the next store. I'll just scroll around and see the details of the watch. Now let's say I want to search for, let's say, male bags. I just type the male bags, then click on that button again, and it is going to load and bring out bags. Now, although it brought out female bags as well, but there are still some male bags like this one here. I'm seeing some male bags as well, so I'll just click on whichever I like that I want to buy, and I'll see, read, do my due diligence and decide if the bag is worth buying. Then I proceed to buy. Let's say I want to chat with the producers of this bag. What I need to do is to click on this place here. After clicking on it, it will take me to the DM of the producer. Just click on it, take me to the DM of the producer. I can ask them questions about the bag. I'll just go ahead and type whatever question I have in mind about the bag. I'll just click on this place that says translate. I'll click on it. Now my Gboard is going to bring out the translate feature, and I'm going to be typing in English, and as I type in English it is going to convert to Chinese, and I can simply click on this button to send. This is all about using the search feature. Now another way I can still search is by typing it in Chinese. This is a Chinese platform. I can use that my translate feature again and type for, let's say, cooking pots. You see, I'm typing it in English and it is showing here. It is showing here in Chinese. The next thing I would do after typing is just to send. Now those people I chatted, they are already replying. I just click on the button and it is going to bring out different ports, images of different ports, and I'll just scroll around, browse around, look at, see the one I want to buy, and do my due diligence and buy. I can also decide to use the use Chinese to search for human hair. It will bring various human hairs for me, and I'll decide on which one I want to buy. Okay, that is all about searching for goods using the search feature. Let's say I want to search for a good and want to use the picture search. That's this camera icon here. So all I need to do is to click on this camera icon. I click on it. Now the camera icon, it is going to open. I'll click on this picture, this place. After clicking on it, it is going to open my camera roll. Then once it opens my camera roll, I can just go ahead and let me choose that picture, and then the platform is going to go ahead and scan, and it's going to bring out pictures relating to what I have just searched for. I will now I will now be clicking on them one by one and doing my due diligence. Now I can go back again. Let's search this. Click on that, and it is going to bring out pictures relating to this image. I uploaded a picture of a chair, and it is going to bring out, now it has brought out pictures relating to that chair. I can just play around, look at the things I want to look at. These are reviews on of people that have gotten the chair. These are reviews of people who have gotten the chair. So I'll just do my due diligence and decide if I'm buying this chair from this store or not. All those searches we have been doing, it is training the algorithm of 1688. Is telling them that okay, this guy is interested in this and that. So if I just come to this 1688 and refresh it, it will bring out like things related to what we have searched in the past. So you can just be scrolling down and you see a lot of items and decide on which one to buy. You can just be scrolling on your feed. It's just like your Facebook feed. Just be scrolling, and this you might see something you like and decide to buy. You can buy refrigerators, gas cookers, chairs, whatever you want to buy. 1,001 things, 1,000,001 things. You can buy them here. That's all about sourcing for goods on 1688. In subsequent videos, we'll talk about the due diligence, things you need to do before proceeding to buy a product on 1688. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow this account or hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when I post a new video. Also give this video a like and share it with someone, and I will see you in the next video.